Are you ready to take your adventures to the next level? Introducing the GoPro Hero 13, the ultimate action camera designed to capture every moment in stunning detail. With groundbreaking features like 8K video recording, enhanced HyperSmooth stabilization, and the durability to handle any environment, the Hero 13 is here to redefine what's possible in action filmmaking. Whether you're diving into the deep blue, scaling mountain peaks, or capturing everyday moments, this camera is built to deliver unmatched performance. Stick around as we explore the Hero 13's incredible capabilities, real-world tests, and why it's the go-to choice for adventurers and creators worldwide. Let's dive in! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is the latest iteration of GoPro's iconic action camera lineup, designed to capture your most thrilling adventures in stunning detail. With a host of new features and improvements, the Hero 13 Black offers a compelling proposition for both seasoned GoPro users and newcomers to the action camera world. With consistent hardware features and expanded accessory ecosystems, the GoPro Hero 13 Black captures up to 5.3K 60 video and 27MP photos on your next adventure with the improved Enduro battery and the option to add HB series lens mods. The 1/1.9 image sensor can capture 27MP raw still photos as well as 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240 video with ease. HyperSmooth 6.0 digital image stabilization with auto boost ensures your footage remains high quality while reducing image cropping. The Hero 13 Black includes a new 1900 mAh Enduro battery for longer runtimes in all weather conditions, as well as additional power accessories not previously available. 1. High-quality HDR/HLG images. Enabled HDR/HLG for both video, 5.3K and 4K, and photo modes to render more detail in your shadows and highlights. Capture up to 5.3K 60 video or up to 27MP raw photos with crisp details and cinematic image quality. You can even grab 24.7MP frames from your videos using the Quick app. Record 2.7K video at a 240 frame rate for playback at 8x slow motion. 2. HyperSmooth 6.0 with Auto Boost. Upgraded HyperSmooth 6.0 features auto boost performance that reduces image cropping, which might otherwise compromise your framing. 360 degrees horizon lock keeps your footage steady and level, even if your camera rotates completely. 3. Widescreen, vertical, and full screen capture. Toggle between widescreen 16:9, 9:16 vertical, and 8:7 full-frame aspect ratios for a variety of shooting applications. The full-frame option captures a 156 degrees FOV that lets you crop in to create widescreen and vertical shots in post. 4. 10-bit color and log encoding. Choose between standard 10-bit video or log encoding at 10-bit with GP log for enhanced color depth, smoother gradations, and reliable color reproduction. Advanced users can use GP log to get more detail while making necessary image corrections in post. 5. HB series lens compatibility. Purchase separately available HB series lenses to specialize your footage for a variety of creative shots. The ultra-wide lens mod provides a POV lens for action-packed scenes and landscapes. The macro lens mod captures close-ups with incredible detail. Use the neutral density filters to add motion blur to your footage without compromising exposure. The anamorphic lens mod helps you achieve pro-level cinematics. Once attached, the Hero 13 Black automatically detects the lens or filter and adjusts its settings accordingly. 6. Burst Slow-Mo. New Burst Slow-Mo captures footage where action is slowed down to 13x its normal speed. You can also record short 4x slow-mo clips in 5.3K resolution video to catch details you might have missed on first shot. 7. Timecode Sync. If you own more than one Hero 13 Black, you can easily sync the camera timecode to make multi-camera editing a breeze. This feature is compatible with Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, and other editing software to streamline post-production. 8. Bluetooth audio connectivity. Connect the Hero 13 Black to compatible Bluetooth devices like a wireless microphone to record improved audio. You can even connect wireless headphones to either monitor your recorded audio or facilitate voice commands in noisy settings. Hear camera alerts through your headphones to confirm the Hero 13 Black received the command. Use the audio tuning feature to adjust sound recording with ease for balanced delivery between atmospheric sound and vocals. 9. Quick Capture. Just press the shutter button on your Hero 13 Black to quickly start your camera. You can also set your camera to idle without completely powering down to preserve battery. 10. Pro or Easy Control Modes. Choose between point-and-shoot simplicity or full camera control using the camera's two control modes. Easy Control allows you to frame your shot and hit the shutter button for a one-and-done shooting solution. Tap the 2.27-inch rear touchscreen to toggle between widescreen and mobile shots, slow motion, night effects, and other adjustments. Pro controls unlock the ability to fine-tune all modes, settings, and features to then set as a preset. 11. Gopro Quick App. Easy-to-use tools allow you to edit your footage, tweak automatically generated highlight videos, or make your own videos from scratch. Change digital lenses after recording, zoom in on the best frames, and create thumbnails for your next social media post or YouTube video. Wirelessly upload video to your Quick app without needing to use the USB-C connection on the camera. GPS automatically captures data that can be overlaid as graphics onto your video. Create presets of your go-to settings for easy recall. 12. Faster transferring and unlimited cloud backup. Transfer content via Wi-Fi 6 to the cloud for more reliable offloads. Use the USB-C port for a wired connection option or an SD card to transfer content to a computer. Unlimited cloud storage can be accessed with a GoPro subscription. Just plug your camera in when connected to your home Wi-Fi. 13. Night effects and time-lapse. Star Trails uses Earth's rotation to create light trails with the stars in the sky. Light painting converts moving light into brushstrokes. Vehicle light trails records the movement of nighttime traffic lights. 14. Improved battery life and expanded power options. A higher capacity 1,900 mAh Enduro battery gives you longer run times in all weather conditions. You can record 5.3K/4K video for up to 1.5 hours or 1080p video for up to 2.5 hours continuously. Additional power accessories like the Contacto waterproof magnetic power cable and dual battery charger with integrated power bank offer other options to power your camera. 15. Waterproof housing with multiple mounting options. The camera can withstand depths up to 33 feet on its own. Integrate additional mounting accessories into your camera configuration with the built-in mounting fingers, 1/420 thread, and a magnetic interface compatible with the separately available magnetic latch mount. More enhanced features. In-camera power tools maximize your battery life. Hindsight captures up to 30 seconds of footage before you start recording. Scheduled capture turns the GoPro on by itself to get a shot up to 24 hours in advance. Duration capture can capture video clips from 15 seconds to 2 hours long. Interval photo snaps photos at fixed intervals. Use the Hero 13 Black as a webcam or live stream your next activity with professional features. Plug your Hero 13 Black in when connected to your home Wi-Fi and automatically upload your footage to the cloud. A highlight video is sent to your phone and can then be edited with beat-synced music and effects.